Morning student, this video for class 12 students. Student, today we will discuss regarding the increasing and decreasing functions. This is the part of application of derivatives. So here we are going to prove how we can prove that uh, function is increasing or decreasing. What are the necessary conditions for proving it? So according to the definition, if you see, if fx is any real valued function and if differentiation of fx means f dash x is greater than 0, then the function is said to be an increasing function. Means if you want to prove the function is increasing, then you should prove that differentiation of the function must be greater than 0. This is the condition for increasing function. But if differentiation of f, I mean to say f dash x is less than 0, less than 0 means negative. If the value of f dash x is coming negative, then you can say the function is decreasing function. So I want to clarify this part through one example which has been given in ISC and CBSE in both the boards. So this question is very important for you. This question can come in 2 marks. Okay. So prove that fx is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 100, where x belongs to R, is increasing on real number set. This R stand for real number. So he is asking that you should prove this function fx is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 100 is increasing function. So I have to prove that this function is increasing if f dash x is greater than 0. So first of all, I will differentiate it both side. If I am differentiating this side, it will be f dash x. If I am differentiating this portion, this 3x square, 3x x cube is giving the result 3x square, and this portion will give 6x and this portion will give 3, because the differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of 100 is 0, so I have not written 0 here. Now 3 is common, so it has come x square minus 2x plus 1. This can be written as x minus 1 whole square. Now you see, if you take any value of x, because any real value, maybe half, maybe in points, maybe negative, any value if you take in place of x, so the resulting part, this portion x minus 1 will always be positive, because outside it is a square. This square will make it positive. So it is a guarantee that this f dash x is 100% positive from here for any value of x. So you can say that f dash x is greater than 0 for any value of x. Therefore fx is an increasing function, hence proved. So you have proved that this function is an increasing function. So such type of question can come in 2 marks in our board examination, and this is the starting of increasing and decreasing function. So that was the first question. Let us move for the next question. Now students, see the second question. In this question we have to find the values of x for which the function fx is equal to minus 2x square minus 8x is increasing or decreasing. Means we have to tell in which range x is increasing and in which range it is decreasing. So as you know, the value of the function fx, if it is given, then first I should differentiate this part. So if I will differentiate fx is equal to minus 2x square minus 8x, so it will give minus 4x minus 8. So this is the value of differentiation. This is the first step. Now if the function is increasing, you know the condition is f dash x is greater than 0. So the value of f dash x, I have written minus 4x minus 8 is greater than 0. This 8 I shifted this side. Now dividing by minus 4. As you know, in inequality, if you divide by the minus sign or multiply by the minus sign, the sign of inequality always changes. If it is greater, it will become less. So it has become x less than minus 2, means all the values which is less than minus 2, because in real number we see that our numbers starts from minus infinity to plus infinity. So all the value less than minus 2 means minus infinity to minus 2 is the range for increasing the function. And if you solve for decreasing, then f dash x must be 0. So here the value of x is coming greater than -2. So all the values greater than -2 means -2 to infinity is the range for decreasing a function, and in this range the function is increasing. So both the range it is available over here. So by this way you can solve this question number 2. Now look at the next question. In this question, student, that question number 3, show that fx is equal to 3 upon x plus x, x belongs to R and x is not equal to 0. Is decreasing function. F dash x is equal to differentiation of this part. It is directly coming -3 upon x square. So here you know the value of x is always positive because in denominator x square is given. So for we can say that x square is always positive. Therefore f dash x is less than 0 for any value of x. Hence we can say fx is decreasing function. So take the hint from these questions and try to simplify the questions based on increasing and decreasing functions. Thank you.